we are going to see HCF and LCM in chapter 3. What we are going to see here about HCF and LCM. What is HCF? Highest common factor. What is it? Highest common factor. LCM means least common multiple. LCM means least common multiple. Regarding HCF, that means regarding common factors and common multiples, we have seen in the last class. Now we are going to see in that about HCF, highest common factor, that means greatest common factor and least common multiple. Okay, see, for example, if you take two numbers 16 See, if you take two numbers 16 and 32, how we will find the highest common factors for both numbers? That we will see. First I have taken 16. What are the factors of 16? 1 16 is 16, 2 8s are 16, 4 4s are 16. 4 is repeatedly coming, so one time enough to enter here. Like that. 32 means what are the factors will come for 32? 132 is 32, 2 16s are 32, clear? 4 8s are 32, correct or wrong? 132 is 32, 2 16s are 32, 4 8s are 32. So these are the factors of 32. Now what to do? Common factors. Usually we will factors of two numbers written, immediately what we will do? Common factors of both we will find. That only I am going to do. Common factors means what are that here? 1, 2, 4, 8, 16. Clear? 1, 2, 4, 8, 16. These are the common factors of 16 and 32. We have to take highest common factor, HCF, highest common factor. Otherwise greatest, G, greatest common factor we have to say. So highest means, in this which is the highest one? 16. So 16 is the HCF of 16 and 32. 16 is the HCF of 16 and 32. Understood, children? So usually we know we will find factors of the given numbers and then common factors. Now additionally we are going to see about highest common factor. Highest common factor means among the few common factors of the given numbers which is coming highly. That is our required answer. Sometimes only prime numbers will come or just two numbers will come. At that time we have to multiply the common factors. About that also we will see now. So common HCF means what is that? The highest common factor of two or more given numbers is the highest of their common factors. What is that? Highest of their common factors. Clear? See, in exercise 3.6, if you see, first section fully HCF based questions only. Find the HCF of the following numbers. First one, 18, 48 given. See, again I am telling, HCF means highest common factor of the given numbers. Okay, HCF stands for highest common factor. See, in exercise 3.6, first section, find the HCF. Find the HCF. In the first question, 18, 48. What to do? First of all, we have to find the factors of 18, then factors of 48, and then common factors, finally highest common factor, that's all. So first write factors of 18. 118 is 18, 2 9s are 18, 6 3s are 18, okay. 118 is 18, 2 9s are 18, 6 3s are 18. Factors of 48. 148 is 48, 2 24s are 48, then 6 8s are 48. 148 is 48, 2 24s are 48, 12 4s are, that also correct, 12 4s are 48, 1 48, 2 24s are, 4 12s are, 6 8s are. So these are the factors of 48. Now we have to pick up common factors of 18 and 48. What comes? One is a compulsory factor, no? So 1, 2, then 6, 3, 3 will not come. 16 3s are 48, that also correct one is 16 3s are 48. So this 3, then 18, no, that's all. So 1 comma 2 comma 6 comma 3, like these are the common factors of 18 and 48. In that highest common factor, which comes 6 is the biggest one. So like this. Clear, children? See, this is one method. Writing all the factors of the given numbers, then pick up the common factors, from that selecting the highest common factor. This is one method. Otherwise, we can find the prime factors of the given numbers, from that we can find the HCF. Okay, here what is the difference between this method and another method means, here we have written all the factors of the given numbers, from that we pick up the common factors and then selected highest common factor. Clear? One more method means factorization, prime factorization wise we can find the HCF. See, (18 and 48). 18 and 48. First, for finding 18 prime factors, what to do? Prime factorization wise we can go. See, I have taken 18. This is a composite number. I have to find its prime factors. So what I am going to do? I have to divide this number by prime number. By 2 I am dividing this. In 18 how many 2's are there? 9 2's are 18. Again, this is composite number. So I have to divide. In 9 to be splitted means by third we can divide. So by 3 also prime number. So in 9 how many 3's are there? 3 3's are 9. Clear? Again 3 one time, 1 3 is 3. So these are the prime factors of 18. 2 into 3 into 3. These are the prime factors. Prime factors of 18 equal to 2 into 3 into 3. 2 3's are 6, 6 3's are 18. Likewise, for 48 also you have to find. 48 is the composite number. We have to find its prime factors. So we have to divide this number also by prime number only. I am selecting here 2. In 4 how many 2's are there? 2 2's are 4. No remainder. Go to here 8. In 8 how many 2's are there? 4 2s are 8. So 24 2s are 48. Likewise, now 24 again, 24 is the composite number, so we have to divide. By 2 I am selecting. Into 24, how many 2s are there? 1 2 is 2, 2 2s are 4. Divide that, because this is a composite number. We have to find the prime factors of the given number 48. So we have to divide this number also again. In 12, if you divide by 2, how many times comes? 6. 2 6 are 12. This is also composite number, so divide. 2 3s are 6. 3 prime number came. That's all, we can stop. Clear? In 48, 24 2s are there. In 24, 12 2s are there. In 12, 6 2s are there. In 6, 3 2s are there. In 3, 1 3 is there. Clear? Now, these are the prime factors of 48. Taken right? The prime factors of 48 are 2 into 2 into, for matching 3 I am writing here. Okay, 2 2 3 and then this 2. Clear? 2 into 2 into 3 into 2 into 2. 1 2 3 4. Clear? Now common factors we have to take. Common factors means 2 and 3 only. This to be multiplied. If you find in the previous method, we have selected directly the biggest common factor, highest common factor selected directly. But while finding prime factors wise, selecting common factor time, what to do means you have to multiply the common factors, product of the common factors you have to do. So that is this highest common factor. So HCF equal to product of the common factors. So 2 into 3, 6. Like this also we can finish. Understood, children? See what I did there? Previous I have done this sum in 2 methods also. In the previous method, I have written all the factors of the given numbers, then selected common factors, finally pick up the greatest common factor, that means highest common factor we have selected. That is one method. In this, prime factors only I have chosen. How to find prime factors means by this method. Okay, all are prime factors only. In that we have to find common factors and the common factors multiply. That is our required HCF. Clear, children? That's all. How to find HCF means nothing is there. First of all, find the prime factors of the given numbers, select the common factors from it, and then multiply that. The product is the required HCF. Understood? So what do you mean by the word HCF? HCF stands for highest common factor. How to find the common factors of the given numbers means the product of the common factors. What is it? Product of the common factors is called its HCF. Okay. The highest common factor of 2 or give more numbers is the highest of their common factors. Clear? So in this many questions are there. I will try one more question here. See, J question I am trying. 12, 45, 75 given. Raise one more question. B I am doing. 30, 42. What is it? 30, 42. Find prime factors of 30. Prime numbers wise only you have to divide the given number. So 3. 10 3s are 30. In 30, how many 3s are there? 10 3s. So 10 is the quotient here. But the 10 also composite only, no? So we have to divide it again. By which prime? Prime number wise only you have to divide. So 2. By 2 I am dividing this 10. In 10 how many 2s are there? 5 2s are 10. 5 also prime number, that's all. These are the prime factors of 30. So 30 equal to 3 into 2 into 5. Clear? We have expressed a product notation using the prime factors for this 30. Come to next number, 42. 42 is a composite number. We have to find its prime factors. So by which table? By 2 table. 2 2s are 4, no remainder. Come to here, into 1 2 is 2. 21 2s are 42. Again, 21 is odd number, also composite number. So we have to divide it. So by which prime we will divide? Means by 3. 7 3s are 21. Yes or no? Correct only. 7 3s are 21. 7 also prime number. So these are the prime factors of 42. So 3 into 2 into 7. 3 into 2 into 7. Common factors. 3 and 2. 3 into 2. Multiply the common factors. That is our required HCF. So 3 2s are 6. For this numbers, for these numbers also HCF is 6 only coming. Clear, children? Next, J question. 3 numbers given. Up to this we have handled 2 numbers. By taking 2 numbers we found HCF. Now 3 numbers given. 12, 45, 75. 12, 45, 75. Okay. First find prime factors of 12 by 3. 3 is a prime number, no? I am dividing 12 by 3 now. In 12, how many 3s are there? 4 3s are 12. Likewise, 4 also composite, so we should divide. By 4, in 4, prime numbers means 2 only. 2 2s are 4. I am dividing this 4 by 2. That time my quotient is 2. 2 2s are 4. Again this 2 if you want to divide by 2 only. 1 2 is 2. That's all. So these are the prime factors of 12. Come to here, take and write 12 equal to 3 into 2 into 2. Likewise for 45, 45 is the odd number. So we can try this number by odd primes. Odd prime means 3, 5, 7 like that. So I am trying by 3 table. In 4, how many 3s are there? 1 3 is 3. Remainder 1, if you keep here it becomes 15. In 15, 5 3s are 15. So totally 15 3s are 45. Okay. Now 15 also composite number. So try by odd prime. Again 3. 5 3s are 15. 5 is the prime number, leave it. So 1 5 is 5. These are the prime factors of 45. So 45 can be expressed in the prime factors as 3 into 3 into 5. 3 3s are 9, 9 5s are 45. Come to 75. This is odd number. So we have to try this, divide this number by odd prime. I am trying by 3 table. In 7, how many 3s are there? 2 3s are 6. Remainder 1, 15. 5 3s are 15. Okay, 25 3s are 75. Now 25 is odd number, also composite number. So we have to divide. By which table it is possible? By 5th table. Because 5 is the prime number, it can divide the number 25 also. So in 25, how many 5s are there? Means 5 5s are. 5 is the prime number. So stop the sum. So these are the prime factors of 75. Take and write here. 3 into 5 into 5. 3 into 5 into 5. Common factors means what will come? In all the 3 categories which is coming commonly, that is the common factor. Previously we have taken 2 numbers, here 3 numbers. In 3 also it should be same, that is called common factor. That means here 3 only is the number coming in common factor category, no other numbers are coming like this. So this is the final answer also, that means HCF also this 3 only. Clear? This is another type of sum. Clear? Only one number is there, take and write that also, that only as the final answer. Clear? See what I did after this. Previously having 2 numbers I told how to take HCF. Here having 3 numbers, this is the procedure. Suppose one more number is coming means these 2 numbers to be multiplied and entered. Clear children? So answer for this 3 numbers, 3 only. Next second section, like that remaining few questions are there, you try. Come to next second section. What is the HCF of 2 consecutive numbers, 2 consecutive even numbers, 2 consecutive odd numbers? What is the question pa? What is the HCF of 2 consecutive numbers? So we have to find here HCF of A question numbers, B question even numbers, C question odd numbers, even numbers, odd numbers. Two consecutive. What is the HCF of 2 consecutive? What is the HCF of 2 consecutive numbers, 2 consecutive even numbers, 2 consecutive odd numbers? This is the second section. What to do? Say first, A question I am taking. HCF of 2 consecutive numbers. We will see. For example, I am taking here 2 and 3. 2 and 3 are consecutive numbers only. Consecutive means next immediate number. So 2 after 3. So both are consecutive numbers. This HCF we have to find here. So first, what is the procedure for finding HCF? Factors we have to find. So factors of 2, what comes? 1, 2 is 2, that's all. Likewise, factors of 3. Factors of 3. 1, 3 is 3. Common factors. Here 1 only. Common factor is here 1 only. That is this HCF also. Clear? So what do you observe here? HCF of 2 consecutive numbers is 1. 1 mark level. Dash is the HCF of 2 consecutive numbers. What do you give? 1 is the answer. 1 is the HCF of 2 consecutive numbers. Understood? Likewise, 2 consecutive even numbers we have to do. Two consecutive even numbers. B question. HCF of 2 consecutive even numbers. What comes? Give one example for even numbers. 2. Even number example is 2. That consecutive even number, what comes? 4 only. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, these are the even numbers. Consecutive means next immediate. So 2 is the even number. That consecutive even number means next even number. What is that? 4 only. So 2, 4 are the consecutive even numbers I have taken. For example, I am going to check what comes as the HCF for these 2 numbers. We will check. First write factors of 2. What is that? The same 1, 2. factors of 4. What comes? 1 2 1 4 is 4. 2 2s are 4. 2 times 2 coming. So it is enough to enter 1 time here. Enough. So factors of 4 means 1 comma 2 comma 4. Common factors 1 and 2. 1 comma 2. HCF means what we have to do? The highest one. Which is the highest one here? 2 only. So this is the HCF of consecutive 2 even numbers. Clear, children? So HCF of 2 consecutive even numbers are always 2. Consecutive even HCF of consecutive numbers means 1. Okay. Now what comes for odd? We will check. Odd numbers. What are the odd numbers? 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. These are odd numbers, etc. In that, for example, I am taking here 3 and 5. Both are consecutive odd numbers. Consecutive odd numbers. Now we will find this HCF. So first factor of 3. I am writing here. 1 3 is 3. Likewise, factor of 5. What comes? 1 5 is 5. Common factors here 1 only coming. That is HCF also. Clear? This is a procedure for finding HCF of 2 consecutive odd numbers. What is the answer for that? 1 only. So among the 3 categories, for any 2 consecutive numbers and any 2 consecutive odd numbers, HCF is always 1. But consecutive even numbers has HCF 2. Understood? That's all. Exercise 3.6 over. Then we will see about LCM, least common multiple. What is that? Least common multiple. About that only exercise 3.7 also given. See the definition of lowest common multiple. What is given here? The lowest common multiple of 2 or more given numbers is the lowest or smallest or least of their common multiples. Up to this we have taken common factors. Now we are going to see common multiples. In the least common multiple we will select. Clear? For example, here I have taken the 2 numbers 12 and 18. 12 and 18. LCM, least common multiple. 12 and 18, 2 numbers given. In that, common multiples we have to find first and then least common multiple. Take first 12. Multiples of 12, what comes? 1 12 is 12, 2 12s are 24, 3 12s are 36, 4 12s are 48, etc. Like that. 18, 1 18 is 18, 2 18s are 36, 3 18s are 54, etc. And if it goes on, we can't write them on that much level. Clear? Okay. Multiples of 12. This is multiples of 18. Now common multiples. Common multiples, which is coming here? 36 only coming in both line. That means that is our common multiple. So 36 comes means that table. 36th table only you have to write. Common multiple is coming here 36. Means it is understood multiple of 36 only comes in the next line also. Next step also. So 136 is 36. 236 are 72, etc. Like this. In that least, that means lowest, smallest, common multiple we have to pick up. Which among the 36th table, which is the smallest number means 36 only. So that is our required LCM, least common multiple for the given numbers 12 and 18. This is one method, writing all the multiples of the given numbers and selecting the common multiple, and then finding the smallest common multiple. This is one way. Otherwise we can find a LCM method, that means division wise we can find the prime factors of the particular numbers. From that we can select the multiple, common multiple. See here 12, just I am finding prime factors of 12. 2 means 6 2s are 12. 6 is a composite number, so I have to divide this by 3. 3 2s are 6 one time. Okay, likewise 18, 3 means 6 3s are 18. Again 3 2s are 6, 2 1 is 2. So prime factors of 12 means 2 into 3 into 2. Correct. Come next. 18 means 3 into 3 into 2. Yeah, 2 3s are 6, 6 2s are 12. Coming correctly. 3 3s are 9, 9 2s are 18. Correct. Okay, these are the prime factors of the given numbers. Clear? Next, which is coming commonly? 2 and 3. Clear? So common factors means here 2 into 3, that means 6. 3 2s are 6. What are the non-common factors? Non-common factors. See children, while finding prime factors of the numbers, for finding HCF, we have stopped up to this. Common factors we have taken and then multiplied. The product of the common factors called highest common factor of the given numbers. We have stopped up to this. But for LCM, additional work also is there. What is that means? After selecting the common factors, we have to write non-common factors. See, in these two lines, these are called common factors. That means what are this two? For this two, there is no pair. So this is called a non-common factor. For 3 is here, but there is no 3. So it has no pair. So it also called a non-common factor. So we have to select and write non-common factors also here. What are that number? 2 and 3. Find that product also, 6. So here common factor is 6. Non-common factor also 6. Now we have to multiply. Least common multiple means common factor into non-common factor. Product of common factors and non-common factors. Clear children? So 6, there also 6. Totally 6 6 are 36. This is the required LCM of the given numbers 12, 18. Understood? In the previous method, just we have written the multiples of 12, multiples of 18, then we pick up the common multiples, finally least common multiple. Here, while finding prime factors, first of all we have to find out for both numbers. Select the common factors one side, non-common factors one side, multiply them like this. Understood? This is the procedure for finding LCM of the given two numbers. Based on the LCM topic, Exercise 3.7 have more sections. Today we will see few sections now. Exercise 3.7. In that first 3 questions are word problems based LCM question is given. 3 questions we will discuss later. Come to 4th question. Determine the smallest 3-digit number which is exactly divisible by 6, 8 and 12. What is the question pa? Determine the smallest 3-digit number. Determine the smallest 3-digit number which is exactly divisible by. Determine the smallest 3-digit number which is exactly divisible by 6, 8 and 12. Exactly divisible. So one number, you have to select one number that should be divisible by 6, 8 and 12. 6th table, 8th table, 12th table. In 3 numbers wise also that number should be divisible. You have to select that number. How to do? So in 3 also commonly that number should be entered. That means we have to find here least common multiple only. Common multiple of 6, 8 and 12. Nothing but LCM of 6, 8, 12. Okay. How to do? Exercise 3.7, 4th question. First 3 questions are LCM only, but word problem based given. We will discuss later. Now easiest category, let me finish here. Determine the smallest 3-digit number which is exactly divisible by 6, 8 and 12. So find the LCM of these 3 numbers. So we can take together also, 3 also together we can take. In 3 tables also the common multiple have to come. So take together. Wait. First let me do into separately and then I will make having together. Okay. Now take separately 6. Find the prime factors of 6. By 3 means 3 2s are 6. 2 means 1 time. 8, 2 table wise, that means 2 is a prime number, no? By the prime only you have to divide the given number. Keep it in mind. So 4 2s are 8. Again 2 2s are 4. 2 1 is 2. Come to 12. 6 2s are 12. 3 2s are 6. 2 1 is 2. Now prime factors of 6 means 3 into 2. Prime factors of 8 means 2 into 2 into 2. 12 means 2 into 3 into 2. Clear? So which is coming commonly here in 3 also? Only 2. Only 2 only coming in 3 category also. This only here common factor. Here these are all non-common factors. Non-common factors. So you have to multiply. LCM means just now what I said. Product of common factors and non-common factors. These are all non-common factors. This only here common factors. Both to be multiplied. So LCM equal to common factor into non-common factor. NCF, non-common factors. So common factors means which you will select this category only. 2 only coming in 3 lines also. So select that 2 as the common factor. Non-common factors means 3, 2, 2, 2, 3. 3 into 2 into 2. Here 2 into 3. What comes here? Multiply common factor into non-common factors. 3 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Okay. Multiply all. 2 3s are, wait. First simplify this. 3 2s are 6. 6 2s are 12. 12 2s are 24. 24 3s are 72. 24 3s are 72. Multiply here. 2 2s are 4. 2 2 7s are 14. 144 is coming here. 144 is the LCM of this number. See ma, here sorry I made a mistake. What I did means, we first of all we have to take in 3 category also which number is coming commonly. Sorry ma, I little bit mistake I made it, just to correct it. 144 is not answer for this, just in 3 categories also this 2 is coming. So this is the common factor. And also in another 2 category which number is coming commonly, we have to select that. See, in that category, among the 3 numbers, in 3 numbers also this 2 only coming commonly. So this is the common factor, correct? But other 3 other category wise, if you watch, this 2 is coming in this 2 line. So consider this also common factor category. If you see the 3 is coming in 6th table and 12th. So this also we have to consider as the common factor. Clear children? See, first I have taken this in 3 lines also which number is coming, take as common factor. Okay, I left this 2, so that answer came wrongly. Sorry, this is my mistake. Check here. Another, first of all you have to take common factor which is coming in 3 lines also. Select that first and then check any other numbers are coming in another 2 lines or not. If you check in this question, 2 is coming here in these 2 lines, this is the common factor. So consider that also common factor category. And then if you watch this 3 is coming in these 2 lines. So this also common factor. Sorry ma'am, that is my mistake. So now in common factor group, which are the numbers comes? 2, 3, 2. 2 into 3 into 2. Sorry, I left first this 2 and 3. And then non-common factor means only this number 2. It goes to non-common factor list. Multiply all product of common factors and non-common factors only, LCM. See, 2 3s are 6, 6 2s are 12. 12 into 2, 24. So LCM is here 24. That means least common multiple of the number 6, 8, 12 is 24 only. Correct. And then, but what they are asking in the question, determine the smallest 3-digit number which is exactly divisible by 6, 8 and 12. Smallest 3-digit number they are telling. But we got 24. 24 is the 2-digit number only which is exactly divisible by these 3 numbers. So what to do? You have to write the multiples of 24. What we have to do here? Multiples of 24. So multiples of 24 means 124 is 24, 2 24s are 48, 3 24, what comes? 72, then 72 into 4 times 8, 7 2s are 14, sorry, 2 4s are 8, 7 4s are 28. 24 1 is 24, 24 2s are 48, 24 3s are 72, then 96. Wait. See, 72 4s are I have taken. Here 96 only, 24 4s are, I have taken this number, 4 4s are 16, remainder 1, 2 4s are 8 plus 1, 9. So 24 4s are 96, then 24 5s are 120, 24 5s are, 4 5s are 20, remainder 2, 2 5s are 10 plus 1, 12. So 120. After that 24 6 are what comes? 4 6 are 24. Remainder 2. 2 6 are 12 plus 2 14. 144 comes. Etc. 24th table means goes like this. See here I have instead of multiplying 24, I have taken 72. That's why little bit confusion. Clear? So multiples of 24 means what are that? 124 is 24, 2 24s are 48, 3 24s are 72, 4 24s are 96, 5 24s are 120, etc. In that, which is the smallest 3-digit number? Means here this is the first 3-digit number. Starting up to this 2-digit numbers only. So that 120 is the required smallest 3-digit number which is exactly divisible by 6, 8 and 12. So 120 is the answer for this question. See children, what is given? They asked determine smallest 3-digit number. Smallest 3-digit number which is exactly divisible by 6, 8, 12. So for that what we have to do? First of all find the LCM of 6, 8, 12. At the time answer is 24. But 24 is the small 2-digit number only. But they asked the 3-digit number. What to do? Write the multiples of the LCM number 24. In that which is the first 3-digit, that is our required number. Clear? Small confusion. Here I made common factor category. First you select 3 numbers wise also which is commonly coming, and then check another 2 numbers where they are coming in 2 categories. Select that also common factors. That's all. Sorry ma, here I made confusion. That's all. This is the procedure for the next question also. What is given in 5th question? Determine the greatest 3-digit number. Exactly divisible by 8, 10 and 12. 8, 10 and 12. Try yourself. See next I am doing 8th question. Find the least number. Least means immediately you have to think about LCM only. Least number. Find the least number which is divided by which when divided by 6, 15 and 18, and leave the remainder 5 in each case. What is the question? You have to select the least number which is divisible by 6, 8 and 12. 6, 15 and 18, leaving the remainder 5 in each case. First of all find the LCM of 6, 15, 18. 6, 15, 18. Find the least number which when we divided by 6, 15 and 18, leave the remainder 5 in each case. Leaving remainder 5 we will see later. First we will see about LCM of these 3 numbers. Take together. No need to find individually. See commonly I am going to divide these 3 numbers also. 3 numbers ko match agra madri prime number edukanum. So by which we can divide 3 numbers means 3 only. 2 3s are 6. In 6 how many 3s are there? 2 3s are 6. Okay. In 15 5 3s are 15. In 18 6 3s are 18. Now this 2 and 6 will come in same table. So first divide them by 2 table. 1 2 is 2. In 5 there is no 2. See already I told you this and this only will come in same table 2. What about this? Just bring it down as it is. Okay. In 6 3 times. Now 5 is the prime number. So divide by 5. 1 5 is 5. 3 will not come in 5 table. So bring it down. Now 3 alone. 1 3 is 3. What I did is simply 3 numbers taken together and solved. That's all. First I have divided these 3 numbers by 3. 3 is the common factor of this. At the time 2 5 6 I got. Here 2 and 6 are common numbers. So we can divide them by common number 2. What about this 5? 5 will not come in 2 tables, so as it is, bring it down. Then 5 and 3 are prime numbers, we have written this side. That's all. So LCM of these numbers means 3 into 2 into 5 into 3. 3 into 2 into 5 into 3. Multiply 3 2s are 6, 5 3s are 15. 6 15s are 90, 15 6 are 90. LCM answer is 90. But this 90 only exactly divisible by 6, 15 and 18. But in the question what they told, every time remainder 5 must be there. Like that they told. See, while dividing 90 by 6, what we will get? 15, 6 are 90, no remainder. But they are telling remainder 5 must be in every category. That means add 5 with it. We need remainder 5. Remainder 5 in each case. Therefore, add 90 with the 5. That means 95 is the number, record number, which will be divided by 6, 15 and 18, having the remainder 5 in each case. ஒவ்வொரு தடவையும் இந்த 95 ஆல 6 டிவைட் பண்ணோம்னா, sorry, 95 divided by 6 means remainder 5 will come. Likewise 15, if you divide 95 by 50, definitely you will get the remainder 5. If you divide 95 by 18, you will get the remainder 5. So this is the required answer for this question. Understood, children? So up to this enough. Just in exercise 3.7, 2 questions only I have solved. Few remaining questions we will see in the next class. Thank you.